Kung may part ka sa kasalanan sa banggaan ng dalawang kotse, ikaw na ba talagang may mali? Hindi naman. Tara, usap tayo ng law. Ito ang tinatawag na last clear chance doctrine. Imagine two reckless driving cars. A red car is speeding while a silver car is swerving left and right. Eventually, they both hit each other. They're both liable, but the most liable is the one who had the last clear chance. Kunwari, tumawid ka sa daan, jaywalking ka. However, if the car speeding towards you sees you from far away but doesn't slow down, it is still his fault. If he had all the opportunity to step on the brake but he didn't do it, it would still be his fault, even though you were jaywalking. Kahit careless pa ang pedestrian, pero pag kaya namang umiwas ng driver, siya pa rin ang may last chance para mag-avoid ng problema. So ang responsibility po ay mapupunta pa rin sa driver, especially if he had all the opportunity to stop. So back to the example of the two cars mentioned a while ago. If one of them was speeding and the other one was not speeding and suddenly swerved towards the lane of the other car, if the first car had the option or chance to avoid him, then that was his fault. If the first car had a chance to avoid the swerving car and he saw it and he could have pressed brake but he did not, then he has contributory negligence. As to the second car, his contributory negligence is swerving into the lane of the first car in the first place. Both cars had contributory negligence. But the question is, sino sa kanilang dalawa ang may last chance para makapag-avoid ng disgrasya? In summary, kahit both pa kayo nagkamali, pero kung kaya mong iwasan ang harm at pinabayaan mo, ikaw pa rin ang may responsibility. Kaya tandaan, kahit may pagkukulang, kaya ka pa rin protektahan ng batas under the last clear chance doctrine. So, again, thank you. Bye!